Can you sing, oh, I love you, the love of the Lord. Oh, I love you, the love of the Lord. I can see you, the glory of my King, as I love you, the love of the Lord. Okay? Say to your parents, what did you say? Children, say something. Now, see, children, your parents are proud of you. And let you be proud of them too, okay? By being obedient to them, by being appreciative to them, and being grateful to your parents. All together we sing now, the Lamb of God.